Fun. So today we're going to be playing Don't Press the Button. Okay, so I guess we're supposed to be doing this obby, which I'm so bad at. And I just died. Wow. Okay. Anyways, let's wait. The button isn't even pressed. Like what? Okay. Anyway, we're gonna collect this coin and ooh, I get a diamond. Okay. I get a lot of diamonds, you know. Okay, I'm gonna go. Wow, I worked so hard just to get that obby. What? Oh my gosh, the noob. Oh my gosh, I'm your biggest fan. Okay, I'm gonna go in the noob. Hopefully, the noob. Oh no, we're going. No. Oh. What is this? No. Okay. That was awkward. Awkward. Okay, sorry, I can't talk today. Awkwardly weird. Wait. Get ready to flip the what? Begin. Oh. We're flipping the table.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy.
My face looks so, oh my gosh, what happened to my face? Oh my gosh. Okay, we flipped that table. Yeah, we flipped it. Wait, what? Why am I looking like that? I look so weird. Okay, I just pushed the table and I look scary. Please get me out of that face. Huh. I feel so bad for you. Oh no, they captured up there. I feel so bad. Okay, I want to press the button. Don't you dare. Okay, yeah, I pressed it. Okay, you can finish the maze. Okay, I'm going to do the maze. Because they're telling me to do the maze. Why is no one going? Okay, anyway. Which way should I go? This is a skinny maze. Okay. I'm scared. I keep thinking this is Among Us for some reason. I can't. Wait, let me zoom out. Oh, they won't let us. I'm gonna just get lost in here. What? This is so hard. How do I do it? I don't know. Sorry for that noise. What is that? Wait. I think I'm going the right way. I don't know. This maze is so weird. Which way do you think I should go? I think I should go this way. What? Wow, y'all literally just made me go all the way back. I only got 52 seconds. Okay, guys, I have to make my way through this. Because, you know, I don't really want to fail. Because even though I think I'm getting $1 million off of playing this, I'm just kidding. Even though I think I'm getting a prize for this, I'm still trying to make my way throughout this. Wait. Wait. Ooh, that would be cool if we got Robux for this. Oh my gosh. Why can't I? What? Wait. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's supposed to be done with this anyway, so. Oh! Okay. Anyway. Okay, I want to press the button. Oh my gosh. What are we supposed to do? Oh, we're supposed to get each other. Okay. Here you go. Thank you. Wow, you made me get all the way up to the square.
1 hour later.
I started recording right when the round started. Wow. Okay, anyway, you can just see this thing is following and part. I'm just gonna put the screen on this person because they just making the whole map go away. Oh my gosh. But what happens when all of them go? Oh wait, do they build back up? Oh, okay. Okay, I'm about to just press this. Oh my gosh, that scared me so bad. Okay, oh, okay. This looks like a piggy map for some reason. Is this piggy? Oh! What? Why you just take off my hat? Well, my hair. It's not a hat, but my hair. They so mean. Okay. Every time I see these diamonds, it makes me think of Familiar Diamond. Some of you might not know that, but it's a channel. Okay, I'm gonna just, okay, let me get the diamond. Wow, it didn't let me get it. Okay, oh my gosh. What is this? I don't get it. Oh, we're supposed to take up each other's towels, I think. I don't know, but I'm getting this all red. What? I wish I was on the blue side. I don't even like red. I love blue. I don't even like red. Like red. No red for me. No red. But I have to do this red thing so I can get, win. We have to make our side win for some reason. But I want to be blue. I want to be blue. Okay. Yay, we get money. Oh, thank you. Oh. Wow, you just got that. Oh, okay. You got money everywhere. Okay, we get it. We get it. Okay, go. What? Are we in a race? Wait. Do we press it? Wait. I'm confused. Okay. I think. Sorry if I'm getting really loud. It's because the background noise. Oh gosh. Yay, okay. I'm gonna try to survive. No money for you, Buster. Boom. Okay. Boom. Thank you. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom.
I just wanted to say thanks.
I win. You really just... the tsunami came through and made us flew around and eat. Okay, guys, I think this is enough. Okay, yeah, bye everyone. Never mind. Okay, guys, that's the end of this funny moment. Hope it made y'all guys put a smile on your face. And don't ever have a bad day, only if it's something really serious. Now, thank you so much for watching. Sorry. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you're new. And bye, Summer Squad.